Oh, I'm extremely happy to be here first of all because it's my first time at IFFI and to be representing Telugu cinema with 35 has been amazing and my team is yet to come. I'm going to go inside and have a good time and it was also amazing to see all of the selected films this year. It was a great list and I love watching movies, so it was a great marathon for me from morning to evening, almost every day. I'm looking forward to coming next year again and I hope this is the start for a lot more Telugu films to come every year.
Which movie did you like? You saw other movies other than 35, right?
One that I saw yesterday was actually Aadujivitham. I worked with Blessy sir in 2008. So to see him yesterday after so long was such a wonderful experience, and I'd already seen Aadujivitham, but to watch it again and to see it get all of the applause was amazing. And I hear it is already in the international competition as well, so I'm really rooting for it and all the other films.
All things asked, are you going to win the award?
Which award?
The debut director for 35 movies.
I hope, but we got to meet the lovely team of Gypsy as well, along with us. So honestly, I mean, I personally think there is absolutely no success or failure in art. You learn with every film, and to be selected in the Indian panorama itself is a great thing. So I'm rooting for every film. I mean, if Nandu wins, I'm more than happy for him.
All the best.
Thank you so much. Thank you all.